Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about slope of parallel lines. Okay? So, two lines with the same slope are parallel kapag the same slope siya. So, parallel lines, ibig sabihin hindi sila mag-intersect. There are two lines that do not intersect. So, two parallel lines have the same slope. Okay? So, are the two lines parallel? Okay, line 1 is negative 2, yung x, tapos yung y is 1. So, second point is 4 at saka 5. Yung line 2, x is 3, y is 0. Then, yung second point is x is 0, y is negative 2. So, yung slope number 1, okay, substitute natin yung value ng ating formula. So, y sub 2 is 5, then equals minus y sub 1 na 1. Divided by x sub 2 na 4, tapos minus negative 2 or x sub 1. Okay? So, the result is 4 over 6 or 2/3. So, dito naman sa line 2 or slope number 2, okay, i-substitute na lang natin diretso ha. So, x is, that is 0 minus negative 2 or the quantity of negative 2 divided by 3 minus 0. So, equals 2/3. So, the same sila, the same slope. So, therefore, yung slope sub 1 or m sub 1 equals m sub 2. Therefore, line 1 or line sub 1 is parallel to line sub 2 or line 2. So, ibig sabihin ng or symbol ng parallel, ayan, two lines siya nga nag-straight, dalawa, pero hindi sila mag-intersect. That is parallel line or symbol ng parallel line. So, let's proceed to perpendicular slopes. So, yung slope 1 is negative 3 over 4. Yung slope number 2 is 4 over 3. Okay? So, pag ganyan, perpendicular lines, ibig sabihin, what we can say about the intersection of the two lines, okay, yung dalawang line na nag-intersect, itong dalawa, yan. Okay, itong slope na nag-intersect yan. Okay? So, that is perpendicular line. If neither line is vertical, then the slope of the perpendicular lines are negative reciprocals. Lines with slope that are negative reciprocals are perpendicular. So, if the product of the slopes of the two lines is negative 1, then the lines are perpendicular. Horizontal lines are perpendicular to vertical line. Okay, dapat sila form sila of right angles kasi perpendicular line sila. Okay? Yung vertical at saka horizontal. So, write the perpendicular or neither for the pair of lines that passes through positive 5 and negative 9. Then, second point is 3 at saka 7. And yung isa, the line through x is 0, y is 2, and 8 is and 3. Okay, so slope number 1, 7 minus negative 9 or the quantity of negative 9 over 3 minus 5. So yung slope dyan is 16 over 2 or negative 2. So therefore, yung slope is negative 8. Yung slope number 2, 3 minus positive 2, then 8 minus 0. So yung slope is 1 over 8. So, yan. So, negative 8 over 1 or 1 over 8, that is equal to negative 8 over 8 or negative 1. So, slope number 1 or m sub 1 times m sub 2, that is equal to negative 1. Therefore, line 1, that is perpendicular to, symbol ng perpendicular to line 2. So, perpendicular meaning yung nag-form sila right angles. symbol ng perpendicular. Ayan. So, next topic na naman yung equation of the line. So, maraming salamat, and sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.